Hello friends, welcome to Abhiyanu tutorials. So today in this video we'll see how to calculate the sum of the items prices for the this March month bill I received from my apartment stores. Okay, this is a very good example for Power Query and column from example and extracting data between delimiters or before delimiters. All those things we'll see now. Okay, so I have to calculate the sum of the items here. So here catch is it is not uniform data. Okay, for example, you have like this. Okay, 20, 30, 180, it's okay. But after some time, what he has done is he's displaying like this also. 20 rupees, okay. And here 20 rupees he has displayed. And sometimes he is putting this one, right? And that is a catch actually. So it's not uniform data. Okay. So for this, what we have to do is first, my logic is extract data from first get this delimiter space here like this. Okay. From there, extract the data after this space. Okay. So that is my logic. So for that, before doing that, we have to clean our data. First, we have to trim it because sometimes it won't work if you any extra spaces after these characters. For example, here 20 rupees is there, no? Maybe after RS there may be space. We don't know, right? So first we have to trim it. Okay. So go to format, right? Format and trim it, right? After that, we have to extract characters after this single space. Okay. So this is a space is a delimiter. That is a delimiter from the end, first delimiter from the end, from right to left. Okay, so that is the logic we are using. Okay, then go to add column and extract test after delimited. Advanced option is from the end. Okay, right? The delimiter is space. Okay, so number of delimiter to skip is we don't want to skip any delimiters. At the first delimiter from the end we will take, right? So let us see the output. So this is the output. Okay. But even though we have here RS and all, okay, we cannot sum it up, right? This test and all. And here is some other format is there. So to fix this, go to column from example, then take it 20 here, come here and put it 20. So all 20 RS is fixed, right? But if you take here this 2938 is gone to 29, so which is incorrect, right? When you have put 20 here, this 20 RS and all fixed, whichever RS is having at the end, that is fixed. But this 2938 is going to 29, okay, that is undesirable. So to fix that again, we'll go to some other logic. We'll go to this 5 slash is there, no? So I want to 5 only here. Let's see. Okay. Then when I put the 5 there, the kept characters means whatever characters are there, I am keeping. Okay. So then it is fixed my 74 here, and it is fixed my 2938 here, and it fixed 3553. Okay. So now everything is fixed. All are numbers, right? So total sum is our apartment store person is saying 3553. So we have to get that sum, okay, by writing a measure. Okay. First we'll put this characters column, okay, then convert into whole number, right? Now we have to sum the items where the number is greater than, let's say, 500, because each entry is less than 500, right? Okay, so we'll write a calculate function. Okay, close this. Okay, close this and write a measure here. Okay. So, okay, let me remove this other measure in this table. Let me remove this. Okay, let us remove this also. Right. So now I am writing a measure to calculate the sum of the items where each item is greater than 500. Okay. Calculate sum of key characters. Okay. Where this key characters where okay where this kept characters is greater than 500. Sorry, less than 500. Okay, each item is less than 500, right? So we'll give that condition so that it will sum the all values which are 500 less only. Because there are some totals in between also is asking me to pay, right? Total amounts. So total amounts we should not include in the sum. Okay, that's why I have taken which are items less than 500. Okay, so let's see the output in a card. So 3553 is the our total amount, which is correct. If you see here, finally he sent one message right to me. So that is 3553. So that is matched with our sum. Okay, guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Tutorials for more such amazing power query tax videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.